Alright guys, how we day today? As a matter of fact, welcome, you hear me? And it's been a long time that I've been to this our shop, so if you see me here, don't be surprised. We still remain Austin Global Cosmetic. Now I want to show you something that I've been dying to show you for the past 2 weeks now. Like, it's a new product, which is a One Touch Magic. Alright, yes, One Touch Magic. See, I'm here. One Touch Magic. You can only apply it to those places you have knuckles, dark ables, twice in a day. And trust me, in 2-3 days, this dark knuckles you have where no degree come out will be like eradicated. Operation eradicate your dark knuckles with this One Touch Magic. You know, like I'll be telling you guys time without number that there are some knuckles that don't go, that like they refuse to leave you, dark ables. This is the product you can use for them. This is the real product. So for those of us who have this dark ables, a strong knuckle that refuse to go, you can always contact me via the number on your screen. Are you getting it? One Touch Magic. One Touch Magic. This is it. I'll be telling you real talk. We are not here for joke. I'm not in here to, I'm not all money conscious, but what I just want the real solution to you. So keep it up. This is what you will use to clear all your dark able and your knuckle.